Hello everyone, this is Alison from Black River, organist of St. John's Church and former steel band leader, also from way back when Black River Heritage Tour. This steel pan that you're seeing was pulled from the mountain of rubble that Hurricane Melissa left inside our church. It's battered, rusted, banged up, bruised, and some of the notes can't play at all. But guess what? The little inner notes, they can still hold a tune. And I think a lot of us are feeling like that now. Some weeks have passed after the hurricane. Some people, you feel like you just can't function, you can't focus. But I really think that like this pan, if we give it time, we will find that we can play a tune. So if you know these songs, you can sing along. As I say, it's out of tune. It might not sound exactly how it's supposed to sound, but you can hear it. So the songs are things already better, and God is good.